You want to know how to collect attendance in Google Meet? Then this video is for you. Before starting any Google Meet session, you must first add this extension called Meet Attendance. So now let's go to the Chrome Web Store to add this extension. Type Meet Attendance here in the search bar. Then add it to Chrome. Add extension. Then let's wait for the extension to be added. Just close this one. And if you want to pin the extension, just click this icon, then pin extension. Close. So now let's proceed to the Google Meet. Then let's start a meeting. I'll just name this session. Continue. I'm sorry for the slow internet connection. Then join now. Close this one. And if it's your first time to use this Meet Attendance extension, it will prompt you to sign into your Google account. So let's click this Meet Attendance extension. That will give you different options like adding a new sheet, creating a new spreadsheet, etc. So now let's collect attendance by clicking this People tab. And then you'll notice this icon here with a check through it. In order for this to work, we must close this People tab and then reopen it again. And then click this icon. You'll be directed to a new spreadsheet. By the way, this spreadsheet is automatically saved in your Google Drive. You can also rename this spreadsheet by clicking here, and you'll see the information related to your Google Meet attendance session. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I'll be willing to help you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.